Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. And in today's video I'm going to show you email marketing for beginners step-by-step tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be a step-by-step tutorial that is going to show you exactly everything about email marketing, how you can make money online with it, and why you should start collecting emails right now from your audience. Okay, so guys, my name is Kingsley from Obinnar.com. In this channel I talk about tech blogging, how to make money online, and a whole lot of things that's going to help you succeed online. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this awesome channel. Now, like I said earlier on today, we're going to talk about email marketing for beginners step-by-step tutorial. This is going to show you exactly everything you need to know. I'm also going to show you some of the secrets and some of the things that I do for myself to earn money, and how you can also do these things to earn and grow your business. Now, what is email marketing? Email marketing is simply collecting emails of your audience, targeting emails. And now what you want to do with that email now is you want to be able to build relationship with those emails you have collected, and in future you want to sell your products, you want to sell something that is targeted to that particular audience. Now that is email marketing. Now if you go to my website Obinnar.com, you see I have this form that will pop up. I think after some seconds immediately you land on my website. As you can see, it said, "We are glad to have you on board. Sign up and never miss our giveaways and updates." Once you input your email address here, you're going to be getting emails from me. Okay, so what am I trying to do? I'm trying to build relationship with everybody that is going to input his or her emails here. Okay, now remember, these things is done automatically. I've already drafted the emails and I've automated them. So once you input your email address, you're going to get series of emails, and I'm trying to build relationship with you. I can later on I can talk about every other stuff. Now that is exactly what you need to do. Now, so like I showed you this, now how can you be able to put this up? You need to use an email marketing tool. Okay, so there are several email marketing tools that you can use, and we're going to talk about some of them. Okay, so if you go to this website, it's called sendfox.com. okay, so I'll try to, you can check it out on Google, sendfox.com. okay, so sendfox.com is going to help you collect emails. Now it's trying to load up. Okay, so Sendfox, this is Sendfox. Okay, Sendfox will help you collect email. Now this is an email marketing tool. This will help you collect emails of your audience, whether you have a website or not. As far as you have a following, or people are ready to listen to you, you have a little audience or large audience, Sendfox can help you collect those emails for you from your audience. Now you can register for free and start using this account. It's very simple. Just enter your email address and click on get started, and you can start using. I'm going to show you my account later on in the video, and show you exactly how you can be able to send emails and automate emails from your account. Okay, very simple. So this tool is what I use currently to collect emails. Now this is going to work even if you have Instagram following, Facebook, whatever following you have. As far as you have an audience somewhere, not necessarily website, but if you have a website, that's another advantage. But as far as you have an audience somewhere, you can be able to use Sendfox. Now there are other email marketing tools like Mailchimp, MailerLite, and the rest of them, but I prefer and I started using Sendfox, and I like the simplicity of everything, and that's why I stick with it, Sendfox. Okay, so you can also try this formula I'm going to show you. It can also work for any email marketing tool you have, Mailchimp, MailerLite, and the rest of them, ConvertKit. You can do that with all those other tools. Okay, so now what do you want to do? Now let's say you have an audience somewhere, you just need to sign up for an account with Sendfox. Now let me log into my account, my Sendfox account, and so that I can show you exactly how to automate emails and how you can do all of those cool stuff. So I'm trying to log in my Sendfox account right now. So as you can see, I've logged in my account. This is a demo account, not actually my main account, but this is an account for one of my business. Okay, so this is what you need. You just need you just need to create an account and everything. Now once you have an account, you want to go to this place called automations. So click on automations. Now once you are automations, you can see we have two emails here that are already automated, and as you can see their status is running. Now you want to create an automation with SendFox. Now I'm going to show you exactly what makes SendFox very unique, okay, very soon. So you can create an automation. Just click on create series, and you can draft out emails you want your clients to receive once it's time for them to receive it. And when it's time for them to receive it, that is something like after signing up for your contact form, you want them to receive an email immediately, you can do that here. Now you're going to select the action. You can create before you do that, make sure to create create a list, okay, for your emails. So I have a lot of lists here, so I can select any of them, but you can create a list like I told you, and click OK to add the list and the rest of them, and follow the sequence. I don't want to go through all the sequence. Okay, it's very simple. Like I said, just follow the sequence and enter the information. So I'm not creating any automation now, but that's how you create an automation. And let me just follow the sequence so that you will see. So if you click OK, now what will be the trigger? We can say the trigger is this one. The trigger is added to the list. So whenever an email subscriber is added to this list, that email automation is going to be triggered. Now you need to edit the email. Okay, once you click on that email, it will pull up this email editor stuff. This is where you're going to write out the email you want the person to receive once they have been added to the list. Okay, so once they click on they submit their email, they are going to be automatically added to a list, and once they are added to a list, they are automatically going to receive an email from us. Very simple. So even if you are sleeping, these things keep running. Now you can write the email here, try to introduce yourself and the rest of them, your business and the rest of them here. Okay, that's it about SendFox. Now what makes SendFox very simple is, even if you don't have a website, you just need something to be collecting emails, you can use this option here called Smart Pages. Okay, this Smart Pages is going to help you create a smart page. Now what is a smart page? Let me show you an example. Let's look at an example of a smart page. Okay, so I've clicked on view. I'm viewing one of my smart page. As you can see here, this is one of my smart page. It says King Obinnar, never miss a thing. Sign up now to join our giveaway and stay up to date with money making tips. So once you click your first name and your email address here and click let's go, you're going to be automatically added to a list. Now that is what is called smart pages. So even if you don't have an audience anywhere, you just want to start creating your email list from scratch, you can use these smart pages to get started. As you can see, I only edited the pictures and started using smart pages. Okay, so that's that about smart page. Then there's another cool stuff. SendFox has. Trying to check it out right now. So SendFox will help you you can also use forms. So let's say you have a website, you can create embeddable forms here. Okay, so that way if anybody wants to contact you, so that way if you want to collect email address from anywhere, you just need to embed that form on the website, on any place you want it, and that you're going to start collecting emails from those people. Very simple. Now that is that about SendFox. Okay, now how can you make money with this email address that you have collected? Very simple. You're going to make money with this email address they've collected by building relationship with them. Now have you built a relationship with them? Let's say you are selling the services. Okay, may email them, tell them about your services, how good it is, testimonials, and what they can stand to gains, what they can start to gain. Okay, so you want to do that so that you can be able to get as many emails as possible. Now once you've gotten that, you need to send them emails, be like a family to them, then you can start selling your services to them. Very simple. So that's how you do that about email marketing. Okay, so I've literally showed you everything you need to do about email marketing for beginners, step by step tutorial. I've showed you exactly everything you need to do step by step. So all you need to do is to follow through everything I've told you in this video. Now if you don't understand anything, tell me in the comment section and I'll be there to answer you. Okay, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. All I want you to do right now is to stay blessed and stay strong.